So I'm gonna show you how I edit this invitation only in Lightroom. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put my preset on there. Good, and then I'm gonna bring the shadows all the way up here. Again, we kind of set this invitation up to shoot a video like in my house. So this type of material I don't feel like is completely ideal for the shot. The color of it on the blue is not my very favorite, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to sort of bring down the saturation in that pink and red. So as you see, I put my preset on. I just brought the shadows up. I brought the exposure up a little bit. Then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to, in the transform location, I'm just going to make sure that I'm 100% balanced. And then I'm going to use my scale. So I'm going to scale it up because I really want it to fill the frame. Good, yeah. I really want the frame to feel like completely full. Good. I use this, I use the rotate in the scale quite often. I think we're good there. Okay, great. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here to the colors over here under the HSL color in black and white, and the first thing I'm going to do is go to this red one, and I want to play with the luminous of the red. See, if I bring it down it gets really dark. Well, I want it to be pretty light, and it's only affecting like the shades of red in this image. So I want to make it lighter. I don't want it to be like too dark. Good. So I'm going to bring up the luminous. I'm going to bring down the saturation of that color a little bit. I need it to be more neutral because I really want it to be more about the invitations and less about that contrast in color. I'm also going to play a little bit with the blues because look, you guys, when I play with the luminous of the blues here, it really brings out the detail here, which is one of my focal points in this photo. When I styled this invitation, I felt like this was very unique, how it's it looks almost like a water painting or something, and so I really want to show that off. So if I brought the luminous all the way up, you really couldn't see that, so I really want to bring that down so you can make sure that that's really visible. This is looking pretty so far. Also wanted to show you something I find fun to play with is the yellows. I like to play with the luminous in my yellows. Watch, if I bring that luminous all the way down, you'll see like more shadows, like over here by the flowers and the shadow that is being created by the end of this envelope. But if I bring the luminous all the way up, you are going to see less of that shadow, which this is luminous all the way down in the yellows, this is all the way up, and I definitely like it all the way up better. I'm going to pump that exposure possibly just a little bit more, and then let's look at the before and after. I think it's a huge difference. I feel like this image is just a lot more pleasant for the eye, a lot more beautiful to look at. Okay, you guys, I hope that helps, and I will see you on the next tutorial.